Swisstrax gives us an excellent opportunity to bring the variety of recreational surfaces from the landscape into the garage and into the home. And we want to be as many places as we can be. It really helps establish us as an authority in the entire recreational realm. We're already on site providing a bid for an installation for artificial grass. It's very easy to provide a bid for a Swisstrax installation.
It's a super easy product that we could integrate into our product line. It really sells itself, right? Once you give them the price, you walk them through it, it's an easy sell.
One of the nice things about it is that it's very easy to install.
When installing our installations, depending on how large the area for our turf is, it could take a week. But for installing this, it takes literally hours. Our bread and butter is residual. So we have contractors that constantly purchase from us. That's another product line for them to include when they're running their estimate.
Especially as we've grown more and more into four-season climates where the artificial turf market is much more subdued during those months. The interest in a product like Swisstrax and the same type of clientele, a lot of the same contractors that have them an opportunity to sell another product line and stay active during those months where they're otherwise having to pivot. So yeah, it's been a tremendous addition and we're just starting to tap into it now.